Hi.
Good morning, students. Let's start GK and the topic is Republic Day Awards. Okay? चलो टीचर आज बता दे आपको रिपब्लिक डे अवार्ड्स क्या है. सी लर्न एंड रिमेंबर भारत रत्न, पद्म भूषण एंड पद्मश्री आर द रिपब्लिक अवार्ड. मतलब नेशनल अवार्ड्स. आपने सुना होगा ना, बहुत लोगों को भारत रत्न अवार्ड मिला, मतलब नेशनल अवार्ड्स बोला जाता है जिसका प्रॉपर नेम्स बताया है. मतलब उसमें भी बहुत सारे टाइप्स के होते हैं नेशनल अवार्ड में. क्या क्या है? भारत रत्न, पद्म भूषण और पद्मश्री. नाउ these awards are conferred by the government of India for outstanding work in the fields of arts, literature, science, sports and in recognition of public service rendered by a person. मतलब हमारी जो गवर्नमेंट है वो खुद से किसी को अवार्ड देती है, चाहे वो कोई भी फील्ड में हो, साइंस की फील्ड में हो, आर्ट्स की हो, लिटरेचर हो, स्पोर्ट्स की हो, कोई भी फील्ड में. These awards are given on the Republic Day. आपको मालूम है ना रिपब्लिक डे कभी आता है? 26 जनवरी. उस दिन दिया है. आउट ऑफ दिस अवार्ड्स भारत रत्न इज द हाईएस्ट नेशनल अवार्ड. सबसे बड़ा अवार्ड कौन सा है? भारत रत्न अवार्ड है, हाईएस्ट. Below are the given the pictures and the fields of activists of some recipients of the भारत रत्न. किस किस को भारत रत्न अवार्ड मिला है वो भी बताया. नीचे Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a great leader of Congress. He was the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of Free India. It was he who brought about the integration of the Indian princely states into the Indian Union. He is known as the Iron Man of India. See, वो कौन थे? He was the Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of Free India. And he is also known as Iron Man of India. डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी अम्बेडकर. डॉक्टर अम्बेडकर के नाम से फेमस है. इनका पूरा नाम क्या है? भीमराव रामजी अम्बेडकर. ही वॉज अ ग्रेट स्कॉलर ऑफ एंड द सोशल रिफॉर्मर. हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है वो बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने लिखा हुआ है. आप स्कूल में पढ़ते हो ना, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया टीचर ने पढ़ाया है ना, वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, ऐसा पढ़ा दे ना, वही. He worked for the upliftment of the people of scheduled caste and tribes. He played an important role in the drafting of Indian Constitution. He is known as the architect of the Indian Constitution. See, he was the one who don't wanted to divide India as Pakistan and India. वो डिवाइड नहीं करना चाहते थे. उन्होंने इंडिया का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखा है और आज तक इंडिया का जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, जो डेमोक्रेसी है, वो इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे ही बेस्ड है. उसी में उन्होंने मेंशन किया हुआ है कि हर कोई सेम है, चाहे वो अमीर हो, चाहे गरीब हो, चाहे वो छोटी क्लास का हो, बैकवर्ड क्लास से हो, बट ही इज द सेम. वी ऑल आर सेम एंड वी ऑल आर इंडियंस. नाउ द थर्ड इज डॉक्टर डोंडो केशव कर्वे. वॉज अ ग्रेट एजुकेशनिस्ट एंड सोशल रिफॉर्मर. ही advocated widow remarriages and worked for the upliftment of women. He formed Vidva Vivah Samiti and established Anath Balikashram Society. He founded a women's university which is known as the SNDT University. Till now, many of us are learning from SNDT University, SNDT colleges. There are many branches in Mumbai. And the main founder of that university is Dr. Dondo Keshav Karve. He is the great educationist and he has worked on the widow remarriage. विधवा की वापस से रीमैरिज के लिए उन्होंने काम किया था इंडिया में और वो सक्सेस भी हुआ. So that's why Indian government has given him the Bharat Ratna award. The next is Dr. Moksha Gudam Vishwaraya. Was a prominent civil engineer, a good administrator and a great patriot. The Krishna Raja Sagar Dam is outstanding among his engineering fields. He was instrumental in establishing the Bangalore Mysore Engineering College at Bangalore and Mysore University. ये तीनों चीज़ के फाउंडर हैं. And he was a civil engineer. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, known as the Sarhad Gandhi, belonged to then Northwest Frontier Province. He was one of the most inspiring figures in the history of our freedom movement. He worked for Hindu-Muslim unity and was against the partition of the country. Although a Pakistani national, he was awarded Bharat Ratna for his contribution to the freedom movement. He was the founder of Khudai Khidmatgar organization. See, he is Pakistani, but earlier before when we got freedom, before partition, before India and Pakistan get parted, before that he was Indian only. So that time as he was belonging to the Khudai Khidmatgar organization and taken part in the freedom movement, he was given this Bharat Ratna award. Dr. Nelson Mandela was a South African leader who struggled to free his people from the rule of the white minority government. He suffered 28 years imprisonment in South African jails. At last, he succeeded in establishing democracy in his country. He was the president of South Africa. Government of India honored him by awarding Bharat Ratna. अब ये तो इंडिया के थे ही नहीं और neither he has worked for India, but still our government has given him Bharat Ratna award. Next is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Was one of the greatest leaders of the Congress. He was a great patriot, writer, poet and religious scholar of his time. He worked for Hindu-Muslim unity and for freeing the country from British rule. Next is Shri Jahangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, J.R.D. Tata. Still, you people have seen or heard somewhere Tata company, Tata group of companies के जो ओनर है CEO है, हम उनके बारे में पढ़ रहे. Was the doyen of the Indian industry. He presided over the Tata group of companies for several decades. He was the father of civil aviation in India. He was awarded Bharat Ratna for his contribution in the field of history and civil aviation. He is a great industrialist, one of the, you can say one of the industrialists from India who is well known in all over the world. So our government has given him Bharat Ratna. Now this is Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray was a veteran film actor, director and a filmmaker. He has received the special Oscar in the year 1992. He was conferred Bharat Ratna for his outstanding cinematic achievement. उनको भारत रत्न अवार्ड दिया गया है. अब वो एक स्पेशल ऑस्कर अवार्ड भी उनको मिला है 1992 में. So he was a great filmmaker. That's why Indian government has given him Bharat Ratna award. Now Dr. Panduran Vaman Kane was eminent Sanskrit scholar. वो संस्कृत के scholar थे. He was the vice chancellor of Bombay University. He is the author of the history of धर्मशास्त्र. ऑथर में लेटर लिखा, सॉरी बुक लिखी हुई धर्मशास्त्र में, और संस्कृत के स्कॉलर थे. डॉक्टर चंद्रशेखर वेनंता रमन वॉज अ ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट. ही वॉज अ साइंटिस्ट. नाउ द फील्ड हैज कम फ्रॉम साइंस. ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड द नोबेल प्राइज फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ Raman effect. He was the first Asian and non-white to win the Nobel Prize in Science. He founded the Indian Academy of Science and Raman Research Institute for the development of science in our country. Non-white means या तो US के जो white skin लोग हैं, जो वो लोग, या फिर Australians, ये लोग ही जीतते थे Nobel Prize. But he was the first who got the Nobel Prize in science. Now these are the exercise. An engineer who was awarded Bharat Ratna award. A filmmaker who was honored by the award of Bharat Ratna. A Pakistani national who received Bharat Ratna, Khan Abdul Ghaffar. A non-Asian who was awarded Bharat Ratna, Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. Now next is an industrialist who received Bharat Ratna award. An Indian filmmaker who received special Oscar, Satyajit Ray. A film actor who was awarded Bharat Ratna. The illustrious family members of whose 3 successive generation were awarded Bharat Ratna. Means हमारे इंडिया की कौन सी एक फैमिली ऐसी है जिनकी 3 generations, means grandfather, father and son, 3 people have won the Bharat Ratna award, and this family is a Gandhi family. That is Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi. Okay. Now here is the exercise. Match the columns. You have to write the answers, right? You have to write all this exercise in your GK. Bye bye.